AC port plug. A 125-volt power inlet socket with an integrated 16-inch outdoor extension cord for a car, boat, marine, truck, trailer, pickup, RV, industrial and electrical applications. Waterproof. A rugged, waterproof AC electrical power inlet receptacle featuring a pressure-fit rubberized cover rated for outdoor use and protects against the elements. Peak performance. Rated at 15 amps with heavy-duty 14 Aruban Florens copper wiring to maximum power flow and full-sized AC port prongs for maximum conductivity. Plug and play. A simple flush mount flanged power inlet that's easy to install, requiring zero cable modification or hand wiring, and mounts into a 2-inch hole size. Multiple uses. An outdoor extension cord designed for various uses, including onboard battery chargers, bumpers for engine block heaters, outdoor electrical outlets, and more. The GCP1 is an AC port plug, power inlet, and waterproof electrical outlet with a 16-inch integrated outdoor extension cord that offers optimal flexibility and ease of installation. It works with any extension cord and requires no cable modifications or hand wiring. Its sleek, ultra-low-profile design not only works seamlessly on any application but includes a pressure-fit cap for a watertight seal. And it makes onboard battery charging ports, engine block heaters, or outdoor electrical outlets more accessible than ever before, giving you endless possibilities. Rated at 15 amps, 125 volts, 14 Aruban Florens, designed for use with all types of extension cords with Type B plugs, and Outl approved. Ideal for car, boat, marine, truck, trailer, pickup, RV, industrial and electrical applications. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Saw this on my buddy's $150,000 boat and said, how the hell can I get that on mine? Found it on Amazon and installed it within minutes. This thing is awesome. It saves me from having to lift my engine hood and hook up my battery tender with alligator clips and then hang the extension cord every time. Now my battery tender is permanently plugged in to the batteries and this plug. When I get to shore at my dry dock, I just plug in an extension cord and I'm off.